man, what are you doing?
I'm trying to fix my skateboard.
Oh, okay.
The pliers are terrible. They just won't work.
Sounds like you need some real pliers.
Carlisle Pliers is an all-in-one tool. It will make you into a handyman. He can even fix this light. Look at him go. And on special occasions, it can even help you drown your sorrows away. And the wrench works anywhere, even in a field.
Wow, these were great. Thanks.
No problem. I guess you won't be needing these anymore.
Nope.
It's even rated up to 487 horsepower. The slim and aerodynamic design makes it perfect for anything you need. And this is a long-term investment. This will last you 20 years guaranteed with a 5-year warranty. To get your Carlisle today, just call the number on screen for 14 easy payments of $19.99.
Alright, we're good. Go. Oh God.
I'll take one.
I mean, you don't have to take another.
Sounds like you need some real pliers.
Damn it! Alright, you're like an inch too long.
Okay.
Alright, that's perfect.
Wow, these are amazing. Thanks.
No problem. Guess you won't be needing these anymore.
Nope.
This is a short down.
To get your Carlisle today, call 4 Easy Pay.
Oh!
Call 4 Easy Payments.
The wrap.
The wrap.
The wrap box.